The landscape of food is shifting. These days, it can be difficult to provide healthy options for your growing family with such limited access to natural and organic foods. But what if I told you that it is now easier than ever to provide your family with high-quality, nutritious produce all at the push of a button? We are Shroom Sage, and we are reimagining the way you eat by bringing the bounty of the forest floor direct to your door with the help of the Nirvana Cabinet. The Nirvana Cabinet's patent-pending design not only provides the optimal conditions to help you grow your organic mushrooms, microgreens, herbs, tropical plants, and more, but it also uses a combination of high-quality HEPA air filters and natural elements to improve the air quality of your home. You simply plug in the unit, set your ideal growing conditions, and let the cabinet do the rest of the work for you, freeing you up to focus on the important things in life. The Nirvana Cabinet is easy enough to use that you can learn along with the whole family. And it can be child and cat-proof too, if you prefer to keep out your curious friends. Produce your way and explore our ready-to-fruit mushroom grow kits and terrarium garden kits. We deliver the mushroom grow kits and terrarium kits directly to your door, allowing you to harvest pounds of fresh, exotic mushrooms and produce. All of this is contained in a sleek and stylish cabinet that makes harvesting and cleaning a breeze, all while harnessing the balance of nature right in your home. So why contribute to our cause and help us go from prototype to proven produce producer? The simple truth is, we can't do it without you. We need to hear more from you about how to make this product become a fixture in your home. Your contributions will also go towards our effort to establish an organic, environmentally sustainable, gourmet, and medicinal mushroom and microgreen farm here in the foothills of beautiful Colorado. And you can rest easy knowing that this operation will pledge itself to utilizing sustainable agricultural methods, such as the use of biodegradable plastic alternatives and compostable materials that allow us to work in balance with nature. We have pledged to donate a portion of our proceeds each year towards the preservation of our forests, natural disaster recovery, and sustainable agricultural research to help leave the world a better place for future generations. Check out our website at www.shroomsage.com and join our waiting list. Learn more about our journey, our path forward, our sustainability pledge, and find resources for recipes, gardening tips, and much more.